I message a bot on my phone, build episode 10. It writes the script, generates the audio, renders the video, drafts the newsletter, posts to GitHub, tells me when it's done. Here's exactly how I built it. Free pieces: OpenClaw, Telegram, and your workspace. OpenClaw is an open-source AI agent runtime. It runs locally on your machine. Telegram is the interface. Your phone becomes a command terminal. The workspace is a folder of markdown files that give the agent its memory, its personality, and its instructions. That's it. No SaaS subscription, no cloud account, no vendor lock-in. You own the whole stack. Install OpenClaw with one command: npm install-g OpenClaw. Run OpenClaw setup. It walks you through connecting your AI provider, Anthropic, OpenAI, whatever you use. Create a Telegram bot through BotFather. Takes 2 minutes. You get a token. Drop the token into your OpenClaw config. Run OpenClaw gateway start. Message your new bot. It responds. That's the entire setup. 5 minutes if you've done it before. 20 if you haven't. The workspace is where the agent lives. For files matter. Agents.md, how the agent behaves, what it checks on startup, how it handles memory, when to reach out proactively. Soul.md, voice and personality. No filler phrases. Direct. Has opinions. User.md, context about you. Your name, your time zone, your goals, your projects, your content plan. The agent reads this every session. Memory.md, long-term memory. Decisions, lessons, context that survives between sessions. The agent reads these files at startup. It knows who you are, what you're building, and how you want to be talked to before you've said a single word. Skills are markdown files with precise instructions for specific repeatable tasks. The video pipeline skill tells the agent, write narration in this format, generate audio with this voice at this rate, run this render script, confirm this output path. Once the skill exists, the agent follows it exactly every time. You write a skill once. It runs indefinitely. The content workflow, the newsletter format, the social post templates, all skills. This is how Build Episode 10 becomes a fully rendered video. The agent doesn't just respond to messages. It checks in. Heartbeats, a periodic wake-up that lets the agent do background work. Check email. Review the content calendar. Look at what's due this week. It messages you when something needs attention. It stays quiet when nothing does. I'll get a Telegram message. EP010 is ready to render. Want me to start? And I say yes from my phone. This is the difference between a chatbot and an assistant. The assistant acts without being asked. Here's what actually happened for this episode. I messaged the bot. Time for episode 10. Let's make it a big one. It checked the content plan, suggested the topic. I approved it. It wrote the narration, generated 8 audio segments, rendered the video, wrote the newsletter, drafted the tweet, drafted the LinkedIn post, pushed the offer template to GitHub. I uploaded the video, sent the newsletter. Done. That's the full workflow. One conversation. This entire content operation, 9 episodes, a growing newsletter, a YouTube channel, runs on maybe 30 minutes of my time per week. The agent does the production. I do the judgment calls. And the setup? It's a productized service. Episode 9 covered the offer template. I'll build your personal AI content assistant. One day, $2,000. You're selling what you just built. Full setup guide and all workspace config files are on GitHub. Link in the description. Build the thing. Stop doing it manually. Deploy or die.